Hi, today let's make doll hair. This is my old video, but I want to share this with you. This is the easiest way how to make hairs. So I started from 6 single crochet into magic ring, and I keep on increasing for about 3 rounds only, but I'm stitching through back loop only so that we can use the front loop for connecting the hair strand later. This may not be the tutorial that you wanted, but this is for reference only and also an inspiration. Making hair is very easy but time consuming, but also it's really fun. So now I am marking the area to know where to put the hair, back hair, side hair, and the front bangs. So when I'm decided, I make chains for the hair strand, and this will depend how long you want it to be. And in this hair strand, I'm just using slip stitch all around. It really depends to you if you want to use single crochet or double crochet, and also if you want to add increases to make it more curlier, or you want it straight just like this, simple slip stitch. So the length of the strand, it really depends to you. And now I am measuring the front, the bangs, so still using the slip stitches. So I will continue doing this for the whole round.
I wanna stay with you.
So I'm done adding hair for this row, and I will continue adding another row of hair strand using this front loop that we left earlier. So I will connect or attach here the yarn and doing the same thing all around. So this is it. I'm done with the hair. So I will just attach this to the head and place them accordingly, and find the center, pinned. So when I'm satisfied with the looks, I will glue them each strand, and then I will sew each edges to make it more fixed and stable.
Since you have been gone, like I was told, you're the only one I can't be sad with you.
I hope this is helpful to your project, and see you next time.